but I should have waited for that moment. Makes sense? That's my fault. That is a bad trade. My fault. Too early. Did not wait. No patience. Loser. Come on, baby. Spy tapping on VWAP on the 1 minute scalp. So if Spy if Spy is coming down to VWAP, what is VWAP?
Support.
What do we do on support?
Calls.
Oh,
Where would our stop go?
Under VWAP.
What's our risk?
Very minimal.
What's the reward?
Very, very big.
Fuck it, I'm out. Had to get a water. If it breaks below VWAP and you get stopped out, what do you do? Flip the script and we do what?
Backwards.
go the other way.
Flip it around.
There it is. Get it. There it is. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, now, coach got in a little early. Can anybody tell me why I got in a little early? And I've said this before, and I always tell you.
There wasn't the break and hold.
That's right. I did not get confirmation. But I told you guys yesterday I do that, right? I like to do that. So once I see it get in it now, it's costing me money, but it costed me $200, $250 because I didn't wait for a break and hold because, right? And this is why I always tell you, you got to be careful when you do that. You see this? That never broke below the previous candle for me to go in that. See it? So that was just a bad entry. And those of you that had your stop at VWAP, right? Candles can come through, candles can come through, candles can come through, they can come through. That shouldn't freak you out. This is the break and hold that I was talking about. You see that, right? That just costed me literally $250 because I got into that too early and did not wait for confirmation to show me this is the new direction. That is my fault, right? Now, could this right here touch the 9, the 21, and still pull back and then collapse VWAP? Yes, but I should have waited for that moment. Makes sense? That's my fault. That is a bad trade. My fault. Too early. Did not wait. No patience.
Yeah.
Think about it. Put it in your journal, right? Because in my head, I'm seeing this, right? I'm seeing we're getting this nice flag, right? It's coming up. If you look at this in my head, this is what I see. You see this? What is this trend? Right? So I'm seeing it down, 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 down. But guess what? Doesn't matter. It can hit support, VWAP, bounce, rip my face off, then rip back to the downside. But wait, it's better to wait for a better setup just because I see it. Now, the other thing I could do with this, right? If I was going to be a knucklehead like that, I should have went in smaller with a looser stop. But then if I was going to do that, I better know where my stop is and why that is, right? But in my head, all I'm seeing is down, 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 right? I can see it. Look at all of it down, 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 down. So I got overzealous, in case you're wondering how our minds will trick us into getting into trades early. All I saw was downward momentum, got to VWAP, blood candle, second candle started to go lower. I got in early, ripped my face off, $250 loss. That was a stupid trade. That's it. So it is what it is.
Dirty hands off the mouse. That's
Yep.
all.
Yep. Leave it alone. Let it show you. Stop trying to force trades. Stop trying to like, well, I'm going to get in early so I can make a couple. No, you're not. You're going to get in early. You're going to get your face ripped off. Then you're going to get your stop loss is going to get triggered. And then you're going to lose money on the trade. Wait for it to be a good setup, right? And you saw it firsthand with me not being. Now right here, the 200. What's the 200?
La résistance.
What do we do at resistance?
We short or put.
Right. And then the stop is very small above. And then and only then, if it breaks and holds above, I will do what?
Flip the script.
Yes, I will long it. But until it shows me otherwise, trade the trades the way you were trained and what you're doing, because statistically proven it's going to do the things we talk about, right?